The following is for 2010 Math 112 Test 3. In this video, I will do number 17 and number 18. Number 17, we will need to solve this equation. And as usual, we will move the variable first into one side. We have 1.3x on the left hand side, 0.4x on the right hand side. The smaller coefficient is 0.4. I will move this to the left hand side. Then this becomes 1.3x minus 9.4 minus 0.4x equals to 8.6. And then I combine like terms. 1.3 minus 0.4, that's 0.9. Okay, so 0.9x minus 9.4 equals to 8.6. And then from here I will move the 9.4 to the right hand side. I get 0.9x equals to 8.6 plus 9.4. 8.6, 9.4, that will be 18.0 or just 18. 0.9x equals to 18.0. You can write 18 if you want, and then divide by 0.9. Move the decimal point. I get 180 over 9, and this will be equals to 20. Okay, now that's for number 17. Number 18, a family spends $450 every month on food. If the family's income each month is $1,800, what percent of the family's income is spent on food? Now we will first need to translate this question here, the situation and the question, into math equation. Let's start with the question here. What percent of family income, what is the family income? The family income is 1,800, right? Is spent on food. Now the one spent on the food, it will be 450, right? Now if I translate this, what percent, I use x, of family income, which is 1,800, is on food. That's the equation. Okay, now we will solve for x, maybe in fraction first, and then later on we'll convert to percent. I divide by 1,800. Okay, now from here, if you want to reduce or change it to decimal, at least I can reduce by 10. I get x equals to 45 over 180. Right, if I reduce this further by 5, I get 9. Actually, I can reduce by 9, right? It's a 5, 20. Oh, that's 1/4, right? So now, if I convert this to percent, 1/4 in percent will be 25%. Okay, but I think the key here is really how to convert from the word problems into that equation here. Now from that equation here, you solve for x, right? And then either you reduce it or multiply by 100% directly, it's okay. And then you simplify. Somewhere in between you need to multiply by 100% because you solve it either in fraction or decimal, and then you solve it, and then you convert that to percent. Okay, that's for 2010 Math 112 Test 3, number 17 and number 18.